Hey everyone. So in the past lecture, we learned about variables and data types, right? But I missed a few points which I thought will be crucial for you to learn Python, and I want them to cover in this bonus lecture. So what are those? So first, while naming the variables, right? I told you some rules like a variable name cannot have special characters in it. A variable name must be alphanumeric. A variable name cannot start with a number, and lot more, right? There is one more rule. The rule is that the variable name cannot be a keyword. A variable name cannot be a keyword. So what is a keyword? Keywords are basically the reserved words which are present in Python. These words, as you can see, these are 33 words which are reserved by Python. So no one else can use them for their variable names. Okay. So let's try it. If I try to assign a value to if, let's say if is equals to 100, this is not going to work. It will say invalid syntax. Why? Because you cannot assign a value to a keyword. If is a keyword where it is here. Okay. So these are some keywords which are present in Python. These are the reserved words by Python. You cannot use them as variable names. That's a pretty simple point, right? Now let's come to the second point. While declaring a variable, let's say a is equals to 100, and if I want to check the type of a, what will be the type of a? It will surely be integer because it's a full number, whole number, right? So it will be an integer. Did I anywhere describe it as an integer? Did I tell Python that, oh, okay, treat this as an integer? Because in other programming languages, whenever you're declaring a variable, you have to specify the data type of the variable. But in Python, you don't need to do that. In Python, we don't need to do that. So that is why here comes the specialty of Python, which is called as dynamically typed language. Python is a dynamically typed language. Okay, so whenever you declare a variable, you don't need to explicitly specify that this variable belongs to this data type. It automatically detects, right? It automatically detects that it is a string, or it is a number, or it is a float, or it is a boolean, or it is something else, right? It automatically detects. So that is why Python is considered as a dynamically typed language. So I hope these 2 points will be easy for you to grasp, and these are really crucial points which you should know about Python. So keep on learning.